Good morning, my dear students. In our previous class, we discussed solution of linear equation without transposition. Means we solve the linear equation by using the four properties: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Means we remove the terms from left side by adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing. Now in this class we will discuss about transposition of term. So the meaning of transposition of term is transposing terms from left to right or right to left. You can also say sending term from left side to right side of the sign of equality, or from right side to left side of the sign of equality. By doing so, we have to keep some points in our mind. If a term is going to be transposed from left hand side to right hand side of the equality, and the term is in addition in the left side, the sign of the term will change in the right side and it will become minus. For example, you see, if we are having x plus 4 is equal to 6 and we have to find the solution. So in this case we transpose the term from left to right. Here is the constant term and we send this term to this side. By doing so, we can write, this implies that x is equal to 6 and here 4 will come. The thing is that which sign we will give to it. So you see, here is plus sign, so it will come here minus. So now it will become x is equal to 2 and this is the solution. There is example number 1. This is the solution on behalf of transposing the term from left to right. One more example you see here. If we are having x minus 5 is equal to 2 and then we have to calculate the value of x or we have to find the solution. So we once again here we send this term to the right side. By sending it right side, the sign will be changed. So s will become x is equal to 2 and here is 5. Since 5 is here with minus sign, it will go to right side, it will become plus. So it means x is equal to 7. This is the solution of this equation. Okay. Now, if it will be in product term, means here you see, I am going to erase it. Example number 3. If we are having equation like this, 2x is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 4. Here we are not going to send the term from left side to right side, but simply we are doing this 2 is going to the right side, but it is not with the here in addition or subtraction with x. So we will not change the sign. So what we write? We simply write x is equal to 4 by 2. There is no change in the sign of 2 because 2 is not in addition with x or subtraction with x. It is the coefficient of x. So coefficient will directly from left side to right side will go. So here coefficient it will come in division to the right side. Okay. So it will become x is equal to 2 to the 4. So we write here 2 and this is the answer of the solution. So this is the solution of this equation. And now it is third number and now fourth number you see. If we are having this kind of term, equation x by 2 is equal to 3. Then it is said that find the value of x. In this case we will send this denominator to the right side, and as it is here division, so it will go here, it will become multiplication here. Means we will write here x is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. Again sign of 2 is not going to be changed because 2 is not in addition or subtraction with x. So we simply write it x is equal to 6, and this is the solution of the equation. So by this way we transpose the term from left to right or right to left. But remember, we transpose the term, and when the term is in addition or in subtraction with the terms in left or right, then the sign of the terms will get changed on transposing. Okay, I hope you understood. Now one more question. I am solving some questions. I am solving from exercise 14.2. Look at here. Question number exercise 14.2. Question number 1. We have given equation 2x plus 8 is equal to 3x. 2x plus 8 is equal to 3x. This is the equation we have to solve. So we will start to solve it. This implies that, now always remember, we write the variables to the left of the equality sign and constants to the right side of the sign of equality. It means 3 will come to the left side and 8 will go to the right side. And what we are observing, that is in addition with the variable. So when 8 will go to the right side, it will become minus 8. Here it is also plus 3x, it will come to the left side, it will become minus 3x. So we write in the next term that 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 8. Now according to integral we will solve it. 2x minus 3x, so simply it will become minus x, and here it will be minus 8. Minus sign left side, minus sign right side, minus cancel out, and it will become x is equal to 8, which is the required solution of the equation, and it is our answer. I hope you understood. One more question I am solving also here. You see question number 6. See question number 6. We have the question 2x minus 21 is equal to 3x minus 32. 2x minus 21 is equal to 3x minus 32. Okay. So now again we do the same thing. We transpose the term from left to right and right to left. But in this case we only transpose this one to the left side because this is constant, and here constant is sent to the right side. So we write in next line 2x minus 3x. Here it is plus sign, so it will come to the left of equality, so it will become minus, and minus 32, here it is in minus sign, it will go to right side, it will become plus 21. Minus 32 plus 21, and now we will solve. So again it is minus x, and here it will be minus 11. Minus 32 plus 21, when you solve it, it will come minus 11. And now minus cancel, so x will be 11. So this is the required solution of the given equation. Answer. By these examples, I hope you understood how to solve equation, and you will solve the remaining questions of the exercise I will also discuss with you in Google Meet. You join class on Google Meet in more and more. Now I am going to solve question number 14 for you. Look at the board. Question number 14. We have equation 2 into x minus 1 plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 3 into x plus 3. So I am writing here 2 into x minus 1 plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 3 into x plus 3. 3 into x plus x plus 3. So this is the equation that we have to solve. So first of all, we will remove the terms from the bracket. So in next line we will write, this implies that 2 we multiply by 2 to this one also and to this one also. Here also we do the same. We multiply both terms. Here we also do the same. We multiply to both terms. So we write here 2x minus 2. 2 minus 1 multiplied together. The product will be minus 2. 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into 2 plus 4. 3 into x, 3x, and 3 into 3, 9. Now we will transpose the terms from left to right and right to left. We will send x to the left side and constant term to the right side. So here 2x plus 2x minus 3x come from that side. So here it is plus 3x and it will come to the left side. It will become minus 3x. And now here it is plus 9. So we write 9. Minus 2 will go to the right side. It will become plus 2. And plus 4 go to the right side. It will become minus 4. Now 2x plus 2x, 4x minus 3x, 9 plus 2, 11 minus 4. So here it will be x is equal to 7 answer. This is the solution of question number 14. I hope from these 3 solutions you understood how to solve the equation. So I am giving you homework to solve exercise 14.2. Your homework will be solve exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.2. So thank you my dear students for today's class.